Hey there, young adventurers. Today, we're going to take a special journey, not on a bike, but through a story about bikes that's really about us. Learning to ride a bicycle is a big adventure, just like growing up and going through life. At first, we might use training wheels, feel a little wobbly, and maybe even fall. But with practice, patience, and courage, we learn to balance, pedal, and eventually fly down the street with the wind in our hair, feeling free and unstoppable. This journey is a lot like life. We start with support, face challenges, learn from our falls, and eventually find our balance and path. As we go through this meditation, think about how you, just like riding a bike, are growing, learning, and becoming more amazing every day. Before we start, find a cozy and quiet spot where you can relax without interruptions. Sit comfortably, close your eyes if you like, and take a deep breath in. Hold it for a moment. And breathe out slowly. Feel your body relax and your mind open, ready to explore the endless possibilities of your imagination. Let your heart and mind be open to these words we are about to say together, and let's begin our journey of creativity now. Training wheels keep me safe as I learn, just like the care and support from my family and friends. It's okay to go slow, every pedal brings me closer to my goal. Wobbles are just my way of finding balance, in biking and in life. With every try, I'm a little braver, ready for the next step. Falling isn't failing, it's learning how to rise again, stronger. I trust in my journey, knowing that every start needs a bit of help. The support I have now is building the strength I'll use forever. I'm proud of trying, even when it's hard. Each effort counts. My training wheels are my first teachers, showing me how to begin. Every ride with extra support is preparing me for bigger adventures. Feeling the bike move without wobbling is my first victory. The thrill of my first solo pedal is a joy I'll always remember. I'm learning that balance is something I find, not something I'm given. Each push forward is a step toward mastering my bike and my path. Bravery is pedaling even when I'm afraid of falling. The wind in my hair as I pedal faster reminds me of freedom. I control the direction I go. With each turn, I make a choice. Stopping and starting are in my power. I'm in control. I'm discovering new strengths I didn't know I had. With every ride, my confidence grows. I'm doing it. I navigate bumps and cracks with ease, adapting as I go. I'm not just riding, I'm soaring on the wings of my newfound skills. Riding faster feels like flying, exhilarating and free. Turning corners smoothly, I learned that changes can be graceful. I trust my instincts, steering safely through every challenge. I can ride further now, exploring paths once out of reach. Each new trick, like riding with no hands, is a thrill and a triumph. Riding up hills, I learned that hard work leads to amazing views. Sharing the ride with friends multiplies the joy and fun. Teaching someone else to ride, I pass on courage and joy. I've learned that persistence pays off, in biking and in dreams. My bike is my adventure partner, taking me wherever I dare to go. Facing steep hills, I find my strength and push through. The joy of a downhill ride after a tough climb is unmatched. I explore new paths with confidence, knowing I can handle them. My bike and I are a team, working together in perfect harmony. I respect my journey, knowing each ride teaches me something new. I embrace challenges, seeing them as chances to grow. I ride not just with my legs, but with my heart and spirit. My journey on my bike mirrors life, full of ups, downs, and beautiful views. Patience in learning to ride teaches me patience in life. The balance I find on my bike helps me find balance in life. The courage to ride fast and free teaches me to live boldly. Adapting to the bike's rhythm teaches me to flow with life's changes. The satisfaction of mastering a bike ride fills me with pride and joy. Exploring on my bike teaches me the beauty of discovery. Just like biking, life is best enjoyed with a sense of adventure. Overcoming bike riding fears reminds me I can face any fear. The friendships formed on bike rides are as rewarding as the journey. Every end of a ride is just the start of a new adventure. I look forward to each ride as a chance to learn and grow. My bike is a reminder that I'm capable of going far, guided by my own efforts. The confidence I gain from biking lights up other parts of my life. I see every new path as an invitation to an adventure, just like every day is a new opportunity. Riding my bike, I learn that my actions steer my journey, and cycling in life. The resilience I build from each ride prepares me for life's bigger challenges. I find joy not just in reaching my destination, but in the journey itself. My bike teaches me that with the right balance, I can keep moving forward, no matter what. As I grow, my bike journeys grow with me, always a source of happiness and learning. I carry the lessons from biking into my life, knowing that I am ready for whatever comes next. And that's our ride, incredible cyclists. Like learning to ride a bike, life is full of moments where we start with support, face challenges, learn from our experiences, and find our own way. You've shown incredible bravery and spirit on this journey. If you've enjoyed exploring what biking can teach us about life, don't forget to hit the like button, share this adventure with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring journeys. Your support helps us share these stories with more amazing explorers like you. Thank you for joining me today. Keep pedaling through life with courage, curiosity, and joy. Until our next adventure, keep riding and thriving.